If you're a teen looking for advice to create wealth for the future, you've come to the right video. Stay tuned to the very end to see how you can create future wealth for yourself. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Justin. I create videos on business, finance, investing, and in real estate. So if you like what you hear, click on the subscribe button for more. Anyways, let's get right into this video. Tip number 1 is to get a job. That's right. I'm sorry, teens. You have to work to create wealth. Unless you're a trust baby, of course. Guessing that you're not a trust fund baby, get a job anywhere you can. I mean anywhere. If it has to be McDonald's, Burger King, Kroger, so be it. My personal advice is to work anywhere and be the best at that job. The reason why I say getting a job can create wealth is not that you will earn income, but to realize how hard it actually is to make money. Until you realize how hard the real world is, you'll never gain the respect of how hard people work to support their families and their own lives. This type of perspective will open your eyes on how hard it is to make money and how easy it is to spend money, and you will hopefully have a bigger ambition to figure out a way to make more income and try and save as much as possible. Tip number 2 is to open up a credit card as soon as possible. Some of you might think of this as crazy as I'm telling you to start building debt, but that's not the case. I don't want you to build debt. You should only buy things that are necessary and pay your balances off every month. Make sure you pay your payments as this affects your credit score. The reason I advise anyone to open a credit card as soon as possible is to simply start building credit underneath your name. As you get older, credit is seen as essentially a progress report for your finances. Credit determines basically how good you are with money, and ultimately it's a determining factor for if banks or lenders can trust you with their money. The higher your credit, which ranges from scores between 300 to 850, 300 being the lowest and 850 being the highest, you'll receive many benefits. These benefits can include having access to any credit card you desire with many bonuses, less interest rates, less mortgage rates when you buy a home or investment properties, lower auto loans, lower auto insurance premiums, and much more. All in all, it'll just make your financing a whole lot easier for the future, and you won't have to spend as much on interest. And to those who said that you're too young or have been told that you need to be at least 18 years old to open up a credit card, here's something to think about. Yes, technically you do have to be at least 18 years old to have your credit card account, but with the help of your parents, you can actually be as young as 15 to have a credit card underneath an authorized user at American Express or at Discovery. An authorized user will be a parent or guardian that will let you use their account but list you underneath their name. In other terms, you get to have a credit card, but your parents get to watch your finances. This is a great way to start building your credit, and I highly suggest asking your parents if they are open to this idea. Additionally, for those who are younger than 15, from what I've heard, now don't quote me on this, but Bank of America, Capital One, Chase, and Citi are some of the major issuers with no age limitations. But to be sure, call your local bank to see if that applies to your area. Tip number 3 is to invest in your education and self-knowledge. The best decision I made was to invest into myself. What I'm referring to this is by anything that helped me become knowledgeable to achieving my goals for the future. Just like you watching this video. I give you knowledge to create wealth for the future for free, so hit that subscribe button and like the video. Continuing on, hopefully you subscribed and liked the video. This can include courses, books, mentors, videos, audiobooks, or anything that will make you grow into becoming the person you really want to become. I don't shy away of how much money I invest into myself, as every book I read or every course I buy, I know I can attain something that could spark me towards a new idea or expand my business into some way, shape, or form. To give you an example, if you wanted to really understand how to be financially free, you'd probably go on Google and search up financial freedom, or even better, start finding books to understand what financial freedom means to you in your life. Investing in self-knowledge doesn't always have to be investing money also. It can also be investing time to learn things that you never knew previously. In my opinion, education and self-knowledge are the best gifts you can give to yourself when you're young, because you never know. One little sentence in a book can change your life forever. Tip number 4 is to live like you're broke. Yes, I said it. Stop eating out with your friends every weekend, having online shopping therapy every week, and buying Starbucks or Chick-fil-A every morning before school. Let's say you go out every Saturday and Sunday with your friends and spend $30 each day. If you didn't go out, you could have saved almost $240 to $300 a month. In a year, that's almost $3,600 that you could have saved to invest into something that could double, triple, or even quadruple that amount. That's why even to this day, I live like I'm broke. If there's one life lesson you should take from this, is that I've been in that loophole where I started to make good income and started to eat out every day, go shopping, and have fun with friends. I would spend maybe on average $40 every day at age 18. That's almost $1,200 a week going down the drain. But for what? Spend time with friends? Live a lifestyle I couldn't afford? To show off? And guess what? That costed me a fortune. I could have saved $14,400 that year, and that could have been a down payment to purchase an investment property that could generated me over $1,000 a month passively. Don't make this mistake that most teenagers make, including the ones I've made. This is a life lesson that's really important. Don't spend money on things that are not necessary. If you don't need it to live, then you don't need to buy it. I promise, once you get used to this lifestyle, you'll love the freedom it gives you for your life in the future. And that's it for part 1 on how to build wealth as a teen. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload part 2. I'll be covering more about life as a business owner, personal finance, investing, and real estate on this channel. So if you have any specifics you want to know about, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.